Hey, I believe there's a whole lot on the internet now that an average youth spend over 5 hours on the internet. You can do more with it. Whatever it is you're doing right now, it's easier now for everybody. As a matter of fact, the media is the most easiest portal now in the world. Not like every other profession or any other thing. Anybody can do it. As long as you're dramatic, you're good enough, you can talk, you can represent yourself, you can sell your products. You're good, you can use it as much as you can. Well, if you hit up to 100 views and 50 views, imagine 50 people queuing behind you. You should appreciate yourself a whole lot. Okay, you can't keep accumulating a lot of people who don't really appreciate what you do. You should set an example with the people who come into your shop in real life, the people who talk to you in real life, the people who patronize you in real life, the people who ask you questions professionally in real life. That way you can balance the equation. Okay, this is not for a few people. It's also for you. So what do you want to do with the internet? Now it's dependent on what you can do. So now the question would be, what can you do?